Have you ever wondered what a daily art practice entails? Well, in this next series, I'm going to be sharing with you my daily 10-minute art sessions that I'm starting November 1st, which is today before I upload it to Sunday. And then I'll be sharing a few pages and some thoughts and musings about the daily art practice because it is very powerful. It can build your confidence, increase your connection to your authentic voice. And just staying connected daily is really good for your art journaling practice, especially an intuitive art journaling practice. And if you want more from me, I have also the Create With Me series, which is live every Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a quiet, mindful, mark-making space where we explore all sorts of things. So November and December, I've added a little twist. Since it's the season of giving, I want to have some giveaways at the end of the month for November and December. And these are going to inspire you, I hope, to maybe share some of your thoughts, comments, even hit that like button. And 48 hours after the live has been uploaded. But you need to be on the Create With Me sign-up list in order to participate. So I hope to see you there, and let's keep creating one soulful layer at a time. Welcome to Michele Holden Art, Beyond Mixed Media. This series, next series, will be, as I said in the introduction, daily 10-minute mindful, intuitive art sessions. I will be using not the watercolor one this time, just the mixed media, because I'm just going to be doing marks and just light layers. 5.5 by 8.5 inches, 98-pound Canson. So it has 60 pages. I will be doing one daily and then sharing with you weekly. The style of these videos are going to be ASMR style, which brings up the sound, the senses, the slow scratching of the tools, and just presence. So I hope you enjoy this series, and I'll just show you a couple of mark making tools that are my favorites, and I really should do a video on that. My corrugated cardboard piece, which has many layers on it now. Of course, my drawing tools, which include charcoal, Conte, and water-soluble graphite. I may or may not choose those. My two favorite brayers, white China marker, of course, the black China marker. This is the Caron Dash, the Neo color, but I'm just using black. And later on down the road, I might select just one more color. I'm doing this on purpose so I can really focus on the mark making, not the layers of colors, and then it becomes more complex. I'm trying to keep it simple, so simplicity, so I can go deeper into my lexicon of mark making. Charcoal pencil, a 6B pencil, the Elegant Writer calligraphy pen, of course one of my color shapers, and a variety of brushes. This is my favorite bamboo brush. This is my newest favorite because it's so thin, and these new beautiful flat or flat-ended watercolor but they're very soft bristles brush. So I have my watch on and I will start the timer. I may or may not add a couple pieces of black and white translucent collage papers. These were made with my stencils using the jelly plate, and they are the deli wrap. A dry brush, just a piece of opaque collage, and I might grab something like, this newsprint. Okay? So I'm going to stop narrating as I start the timer for 10 minutes. And so that was 10 minutes. Oh, I found it challenging in some parts, but I'm glad I just pushed through. If you notice, I just kept adding another layer. And a layer doesn't need to be a layer of paint. It can be a mark, a gesture. And I think that's what's missing. So even at the end, I know the 10 minutes is up. I just need a gesture. And that's what I need. Don't ask me why. I just needed that. So we've added a few layers, which I forgot to mention at the beginning. I may or may not have. And I included some more tools, my awl, which I love to use to score and scratch through. You can get these at any art store. My little brayer, I never used that one. I didn't use the China markers. And it's interesting what you'll gather around you just so it's there, what you may or may not use. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it inspires you to begin or continue with your own daily art practice. And it can be so simple. So I can only imagine this art journal filled with just black and white, and maybe add on. Oh, if you noticed, it must be my eyes. I thought this was black, but it was the indigo because it's dark and it's the lighting in here. And it was sort of interesting. So that's okay. There's no rules. There's no rules at all. So, as I've said, having a daily art practice is so good for the soul. And let's keep creating together, one soulful layer at a time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe share this video with someone who might really benefit from starting a daily art practice, as well as yourself. So I'll see you next week, and happy creating.